Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be trying to land the biggest plane on the smallest runway in pilot training flight simulator. Now let's get on to this. Okay. Now the airplane that we're going to use is the Airbus A380 since I don't have the AN 225, I think that's what it's called. But let's just go right now. Okay. Now let's just hop onto it. It's going to be crazy flight. It won't be the hardest challenge for me. So let's head to the runway right now. Okay, now the runway that we're going to land on is the aircraft carrier near Greater Rockford. So I don't know how we're supposed to land this big thing. Like its wings is like 10 buses basically. So I don't know how we're going to fit this, but we'll try. Do this. Just hope we succeed right now. Okay. And don't mind, I'm going off road. We didn't see anything. And let's take off about like 70. Yeah, 70 is good. Okay. Keep going up. Come on. Oh my. Okay. There we go. Let's see, where is this aircraft carrier? Because I forgot the location. But I think I know. For some reason, the bottom of this Emirates plane looks like a Supreme logo, but with Emirates words on it. Oh, there it is. So we're going to slow down. I don't think we can make it just in time. Now, I don't know if we're going to stall, which I hate, and everyone hates if you play this game when you're landing. But this is sure going to be a challenge. Okay. Oh my god, no. Need just a little bit more speed. And I need to go down. Nope, I need more speed. Okay, so this is a perfect chance. I might need to go more down. I need to go a little bit more down. Then we should be able to do this. Okay. Now we can do this. So close to it. So close. Are we going to touchdown? I mean, it won't be butter, but we might just touch down good. Okay. Oh my god. How am I supposed to land this? This is crazy. Recharge. Oh my god, what? The wing! It can't even fit on this aircraft. The wing is... We're stalling. How? Wait. Oh, no. But I know we're stalling. Oh, yeah. Are we going to make it? Are we going to make it? I need to turn off my engines. I don't know if we're going to make it. Oh, yep, we're not going to make it. Emergency landing, I guess. Yeah. It just reset me. I don't know what we're supposed to do now. Let's try that one more time. Now, if we don't get this, I think we'll try it another time. Now, this time I'm just gonna head to the runway by going off roads. And comment down below what else should I do for pilot training flight simulator. Maybe I can do some role plays with you guys. Now we're just going to go full power. No, just 88. That'll be okay. Now let's try another time. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, off to a good start. Turn. Should we push back? If we land, we are so close to that. Oh. Okay, we have to get more power, about 50. I think that'll be okay. Well, let's go a little bit down. Okay. Now we gotta get our landing gear. Okay. We're almost there. Keep going. A little bit more. We're so close to the water. I don't know if we might crash or stall. You might stall usually. That's since we're hitting the towers. I guess that's what I call them. That's when we stall somehow. Okay. Oh, we're stalling. We are stalling due to the low speed. Okay, we might do this successfully now. Come on. No. Oh, please, recharge, please. Land. No, we're hitting. Oh my god. Kidding me? Oh my god. Are we going to do it? Push back. I'm pressing push back. Why are we not pushing back? Oh. No, full pushback. Did we do it? I have no idea. Oh, yeah. Push back. What should we do? We're stalling. We're moving. Oh my god, we're going to crash. We're going to crash. We are going to crash, I think. Oh yeah. Yeah, we're definitely crashing. Yeah. That was a fail. So we're going to do part 2, and I hope you like this video, and make sure to subscribe and have a nice day.